Hey guys. Okay, so we're just gonna let this roll and I'm gonna say it again and it's gonna sound normal. Okay? Okay? It's not. Okay. Y'all, excuse this ugly wig and excuse this shirt and my non-matching outfit. We went to Six Flags earlier and I had to throw some on after school. Okay? So, so today, me and Loyalty are gonna be reviewing this hair from Alipearl. We ordered it. If you hear Old McDonald had a farm, first of all, please just ignore it. That's her show, and she likes it, so we gonna leave it. So we ordered hair directly from the website. We didn't go through AliExpress or anything like that. And I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys right now. So hopefully everything is all good in the hood. So we about to open it up. So this is how it came. It arrived. I guess it had to be signed for. I wasn't here. My mom did. Now, people were saying things about like fast shipping and everything for them. So I guess I can agree and disagree. So I ordered it last Friday, I think. Or the Friday, like, okay. I ordered the hair, not this like past Friday that passed, but like last Friday. And I was thinking when people were talking about 3 days and things like that, it was gonna be there like on Monday. Monday came and Monday went. It was not there, so I was like, okay, whatever. And it actually didn't ship until like 3 days or something after that. I don't know. But I wasn't expecting the package until Monday. And it came today, and today is Saturday. So it actually came 2 days earlier than once it did finally ship from China. It came 2 days faster than it said it was going to deliver. But like I said, based off of how people were saying, they got all these super speedy, super quick, super califragilisticexpialidocious deliveries. I don't know. Maybe that's fast. I don't know. It wasn't what I was expecting. So, whatever. Let's pull it out. Let's pull it. Y'all, I'm so excited. You don't even understand. Okay. So, this is the bag it comes in. It has these ribbons on the string. It has Alipearl on the front of the bag. It says 100% unprocessed human hair, and the white is actually like glitter. So the bag is cute. Any extra hair I had, I'm gonna actually put it in the bag. And I did order 3 bundles and a closure. So inside the bag came a free wig cap in tan. How did they know I was tan? I am. So I'm excited about that. Okay. Don't gotta worry about getting one of those because I'm gonna sew my little closure in. So, you know. So this is one bundle. I believe I got the lengths in 20, 22, and 24, and then a 14-inch closure. So this is a 24 right here. The bundles are kind of small, but I mean, I guess that's expected with longer lengths, but this is kind of small for a 24. I mean, this is kind of small for a bundle. I'm hoping it looks like something once it's in my head, honestly, because right now this looks like barely a fourth of my hair section in 4. So stop. Loyalty just thinks everything is a game. Okay, so This is the second bundle. The 20 is a bit larger than the 24, so that's a good sign, I suppose, because the 24 was not giving me life. It don't look much larger, but the bundle itself looks larger. So, I don't know. This is the 22-inch bundle. That's about the size it came in. I mean, I know longer bundles are usually smaller, but these are kind of small. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, these are kind of small. I'm hoping once they get separated, they get bigger, because right now, this is not a lot of hair for a whole head. This is really not. But, like I said, we'll see, but curl. And this is my, oh, I got an 18-inch closure. I don't know why I got a 14. I'm sorry. Let's scratch that. I got a 18-inch closure. And we'll be taking it out, and I'm going to take one of the bundles out. That's just not a lot of hair, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm looking at it like, first of all, I've heard so many good reviews about this company. That's what made me order it. And the shipping kind of threw me, because I really thought it was going to be here faster. It took longer. Like, okay, they stood by the whole 3-day shipping thing, but it took longer to actually ship from where I thought it was going to come from. But whatever. And these bundles are hecka small, so that's like, not hecka small, but they pretty little, you know what I'm saying? So this is the curl pattern. The hair is soft. The ends don't feel, they feel okay, I guess. They don't feel too horrible, but they don't feel like the bee's knees. Now, I do see a couple of gray strands in the hair and different shades of brown. I don't see a whole lot of hair coming up when I bend it. The knots are not bleached on this closure. It's a 4x4 18-inch closure with baby hairs, not pre-plucked. So that's this closure, y'all.
Mary? Yes? We ate all of the pizza, and now there's no pizza left for our customers.
We're just gonna pick a random bundle. So this is a 22-inch bundle. So here's the bundle. This is the loose deep wave also, of course. This is a 22-inch. And now that it is getting separated, I can say, okay, it's a little thicker. Okay. Because, honey, I'm looking at it like, what am I going to do with these 3 scrawny bundles? But now looking at it, I'm like, okay, it actually looks pretty good. Loyalty's like, it looks super good. Yeah. Where you going? Yeah, where you going? Where you going? Come here. Come here. Hey, look. Look.
Fire engine, fire engine.
Here. So this is the bundle. The bundle is really soft. I can say that.
And today,
It's separating really nicely.
have you ever pretended to be a firefighter?
Now,
Are you brave? Are you strong?
the ends are soft too.
Trouble? Do you like big trucks?
I don't see a lot of gray hair in the bundle itself. I really actually don't see any. I just see different shades of brown, which is cool. The hair does have a smell to it. It has that hair smell. It wasn't horrible. I didn't really smell it until I just stuck the hair in my nose. So it wasn't horrible, but if you sniff the hair, it definitely has a smell. It's gonna smell like, I don't know how to describe what hair smells like when you order it. It smells like cat pee or something. I don't know. That's like, yeah. But wow, y'all, this hair is nice. It's really nice. I hope so much, so much that it takes this dye and bleach very well. So if you guys are curious to see how that turns out, just wait and see. And this is a lace frontal I have on right now, y'all. It's not even down. It's time for it to come off. Like, it's time. It's time. But thank you guys. We'll see you later.
Break comes again.